Oh, hi. It's me, Mr. Clay. Can you guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to pack my bag with all the things that I need to go on a hike. Do you want to help me? Awesome. Let's look at some of the things that I need if I'm going to go on a hike. When I'm on a hike, I might get hungry. So that means I'm going to need some snacks. I'm going to need peanuts. I'm going to need some dried cranberries. I'm going to need some apples. And I'm going to need a granola bar. I also am going to need to make sure that I'm safe. So I'm going to need this first aid kit. I'm going to make sure it has Band-Aids in it. I might need this if I get a boo-boo while I'm hiking. I'm also going to need some water in case I get thirsty. I don't want bugs biting me, so I need some bug spray. I need this so the bugs won't want to bite me. I also need some sunscreen. That way my skin doesn't get burnt. I need to make sure I have my hat. And I need my sunglasses. This will help the sun stay out of my eyes and off of my face. Last, I need these special shoes. These are hiking shoes. I need them so I can walk over bumpy rocks without hurting my feet. Those are some things that I need when I go on a hike. What are some other things you might need? Yeah, those are good ideas. Well, I'm gonna zip my bag up and I'm gonna get going. But I'll see you next time. Okay, thanks for coming. Bye.